Hi, hello, namaste, my dear ambitious friends. Vanakkam. In the vocabulary series, today we will discuss two words, finesse and caress. You can remember it as care, C-A-R-E, so that it will be easy for you to remember. The meaning of the word is to cuddle or gently touch or lovingly touch somebody. Example, she caressed her kitten gently or lovingly. தமிழ் வார்த்தை அன்பாக பாசத்துடன் தொடுவது அல்லது தடவுவது. அவள் தனது பூனைக்குட்டியை அன்பாக தடவினார். In Hindi, it is sehelna. प्यार से सहलना. The example sentence could be उसने अपने बिल्ली के बच्चे को प्यार से सहलाया. Okay, talking about the word caress. In Espanol, it is acariciar. So, in Spanish, the example sentence, the ejemplo could be ella acarició suavemente a gatito. The next word is finesse. The finesse word means skillfully, with talent or with grace or with dexterity. You do perform something with finesse. We're talking about painters, artists, surgeons and other people. Example, she painted with finesse. The word finesse in Tamil is நேர்த்தியாக நுணுக்கமாக ஒரு விஷயத்தை செய்தல். உதாரணம், அவள் அந்த ஓவியத்தை நேர்த்தியுடன் அல்லது திறமையுடன் வரைந்தார். The word finesse in Hindi is nipunta or kushalta. I would like to tell you these are not exact translations, it's just for you to understand. In Hindi, the example would be usne nipunta se chitra banaya. Now let's move to Espanol. The word finesse means destreza, dexterity, you can remember it as. So ella pintó con destreza is the example sentence for this. I thank you and I really appreciate your time. We will see you in another happy moment. Good day, bye.